Hello, hi guys. Good morning, everyone. Hello, good morning. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to all? The screen visible? Can I get the responses, please? Yes, no? Hi, good morning, Mahesh. Hi, Ramakrishna. Hi, Mahesh. Okay, all right, guys. So we'll start the class now. So today we are going to start with soft delete. What is soft delete and what is this feature is all about? See, this concept is about what you know. See, till now we have seen that we have uploaded multiple files. Okay, right? We have we have uploaded multiple files, or you can say documents, okay, etc. in our storage account. Okay, what we have done first, we have created a container. Okay, then we have uploaded the files where in blob storage services, blob storage services. And what we have created in case of file share storage service, we have created a file share, right? We have created a file share. Then we have uploaded some files, or anything. It could be a raw file and all. Here you can upload, documents, okay, PDFs, right? PDFs, videos, whatever you want, you can upload it. But where you are uploading all these things, you are uploading here inside the container, and in file share, okay, you are uploading all this inside the file share. All the files you are uploading inside the file share. Here you are uploading all this stuff inside the container, and this we are doing it where file share storage services, correct? Now assume that like 100 documents are there. In these 100 documents, okay, and you have deleted some of the documents, or else you have created multiple containers. And what is happening here, like container 1, container 2, container 3, like this you have created. Container is nothing but a folder. It's a kind of a box which is carrying all your documents, fine. And you have deleted, let us take, out of 3 containers or 2 containers, you have deleted 1 container, assuming that this container 1 documents are not required, not needed, so I can delete it. And you have deleted. Later on you have realized that the documents were important, you need it back. You need that complete documents back. In that case, what we'll do, we'll go for this soft delete concept. Okay, we'll go for this soft delete concept. And this soft delete is enabled by default for 7 days in every storage account. Okay, whether you okay, whether you take, okay, or whether you enable or not. Okay, soft delete, okay, will be there for all our storage accounts by default, okay, for 7 days. By default for 7 days. This already I have explained. This already I have explained at the time of the storage account creation. I am not sure how many of you have remembered. I'll show it again, no problem. So by default, it will be enabled. Soft delete will be enabled for our storage account for 7 days for sure. Okay, fine. If you want to increase, if you want to increase this time period, then you can then you can increase up to 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, whatever you want. Okay, so I'll jump into the practical now. Okay, I'll go for this storage account. Let us create a storage account here. Click on press create, and I'll give the storage account name as such 1907 Naresh SA. Some storage account I'm creating here. Okay, next I'll take this one and I'll enable the default for Azure Active Directory for permissions and all these things. Okay, all this networking and advanced I have kept. Now here is the catch: data protection. Here is the catch. See, what is this one? Enable point in time restore for containers, enable soft delete for blobs, enable soft delete for containers, enable soft delete for file shares. Right? Containers means what? This is for blob storage services. Okay, file share. This is for file share storage services. Okay, this is for blobs. Okay, now what it is saying, see, if you won't do anything, you simply go this and click on review plus create, then by default it is enabling for 7 days here. See, enable soft delete for blob 7 days, containers for 7 days, and file share for 7 days. You want to make it to 60 days, then pass here 60. You pass here 60. So what does this 60 is replicating here? 60 is saying that even if you have deleted your blobs, see, soft delete enables you to recover blobs that were previously marked for deletion, including blobs that were overwritten. Okay, like a file which has been uploaded again with an updated data, with a concatenated data. Okay, like one file is there, 2 lines is there written for an example in that file. Okay, same file came again, and in that file 3 lines were there, so the additional third line is what? A concatenated data. Hmm. Concatenated data, like this it goes on. Fine. So something it is. So 60 days means even after 50 days, after 45 days, after 1.5 month also, if you recollect, if you realize that the file was important for me, I want it back, still you can do. But the only problem here is the number of days you are increasing, that much it will charge you high. Okay, it's pretty obvious. Same like restaurant concept wise. If you order 2 items, you will get 2 bill for your restaurant. Okay, if you order like chapati and curry, fine, 2 items bill only you will get. But if you keep on increasing the item, obviously you have to pay more money. Same concept applies here also. Okay, so maximum it will support up to 1 year. See, 365 days. It is supporting up to 365 days, not more than that. If you want beyond 365 days, then there is a separate tools you have to use. Cloud, Azure cloud computing is taking up to 1 year. 1 year is more than sufficient. I have not seen in any project who are taking more than 3 months. More than 3 months. 90 days is maximum will take, because we are having data in GBs, in TBs. So the bill will be very high. We are not having some 10, 15, 20 files in our real-time projects. We are having thousands and lakhs of files. So this much data, obviously, enterprise applications, all the data is important only, nothing as such. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll ensure that we'll design our data storage services in such a manner that it should be economical also. It should be reasonable and it is economical. If you are just going for like 360 days, then the bill will be very high. What Azure says that okay, go ahead, we'll provide you, we'll give you the protection, we'll keep it as not a problem. Fine. So whatever you want, you can keep it here. Let us take, if I keep in 90 days. Okay, 90 days means 3 months. 3 months, I'm saying that keep these files for 3 months for me. Fine. Next, encryption. Okay, I'm just saying your default Microsoft managed encryption only. Protection. Encryption means what, sir? Encrypting the content so that it cannot be hacked by anyone else. Tags, pass on the tags here, review plus create. See what has happened here now. The storage account is getting deployed for me. Okay, validation got passed, and then click on create. And remember guys, if validation failed by any chance, if anything that you have given wrong, then what will happen here? Validation will get failed and this create button won't be enabled. Okay, right now click on create. So let the storage account gets deployed here now. Okay, fine. So the storage account deployment is completed. Okay, go to the storage account and see here I'm having blob storage services and file share storage services, right? So what I'll do, I'll click on this blob services. Okay, I'll create a container. This we are doing from many days. This we are doing from many days. I'll say here, okay, container one. I'm saying here con one, container one, or you can give full also, no, doesn't matter. Container one, okay, fine. And I'll create one more container, container two. And what I'm doing here I'm keeping some documents in container one, and here I'm keeping some documents container two. Okay, so I came inside the container one, upload, browse for files. Okay, I have created some, I'll upload some of the documents here. Okay, okay, some two files I'm uploading in container one. Likewise, I'll go to container two, upload, browse for files. Okay, job follow-ups, and these two files I'm uploading here. All this comes under which category? Blob. Okay, blob comes for documents, PDF files, and all this stuff. Okay, this all I have explained, guys. This all I have explained in the previous classes. Please refer the recordings. Okay, and do the practice. Now see what I have done. See, I'll put it here now. Okay, two containers we have created. Container one, and here we kept two files. In this, what we have done, we have kept two files, file one and file two. We have created container two. In this, we have created file one and file two. Correct? Now, what I'm doing here, see, I'll come to these containers. Okay, this is container one and container two. Assume that now in this container one, okay, I thought these two files are not needed. These two files are not required. Okay, these are very old files. These are very old files, not needed. So for that, what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll click on this three, and I'll say delete. What I'm saying, I will say delete. Okay, see, containers which are in the least state are locked for deletion and will be skipped. This action will move the following containers and its content. Okay, following containers and its content. Container means this one, content means the files what we have uploaded inside. Okay, to a soft delete state, and the container will remain recoverable for the retention period of 90 days. Why it is showing 90 days? Because we have given there 90 days as the time of the storage account creation for data protection. Data protection. This is my data only, na. This container and the file inside the container. This is my data container only. My storage account container only, or my storage account content also. Whatever you want, you can say. It is saying it will be protected. You can retain it back for a period of 90 days. Okay, click on delete. See now, container one is gone. Container one is gone. If you refresh it, see, it won't come. You have deleted. Now assume that after 30 days, okay, there is some meeting has happened. Okay, some meeting has happened in your team, and now you realize, now your architect, okay, cloud architect, or your scrum master, anyone, okay, told that the files, okay, which we were having in container one, in that file I need some data, or some one file I want it for some review. I have to, do some analysis kind of stuff. So if you have deleted that one, you can still get it back even after 30 days, 60 days, 70 days, 80 days, 90 days, whatever it is. Okay, up to 90 days. How you can get it back? Simply say here, show deleted containers. Okay, see, container one we have deleted. Click on these three dots and say undelete. Say undelete. Okay, click on undelete. What it is saying that, container one this is going to retain. Simply click here on save. Super. See, now close this option. See, container one is back along with this files is also available. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Here you are even having the options to delete the blobs also. Okay, let us take this file if I have deleted. Okay, what it is saying? Are you sure you want to like to delete the selected blob? Okay, simply say here, okay. The blob has been deleted. This is the deleted file. Okay, come here and if you want, you can retain it back and delete. You can get it back. Okay, so like this, what basically it is happening, even after a particular period of time. And one question you may ask, sir, why we are deleting itself only? Why we are deleting, sir? Let it be. Yes, normally we'll keep it, but sometimes it too happens that if you get a very high bill, or if you feel like this data is no more required, in order to save the cost, we will delete this thing. Okay. Another container with the same name, mostly it won't happen because we'll follow the naming convention very properly. Okay, it's not something like, container one you have created, then container two, three, four, you have deleted container two, then again you are getting container two. I'm not sure it won't happen like that because see, a sequential order if you follow container one, okay, then two, okay, two, then three, like this, four. Then if three is missing, then the entire team will easily understand that three might be have removed because of not relevance of data. If see one, two, four is there, three is not there. It's very simple. It is understandable that three has been created and deleted. So the next will create with five, six, seven only. Okay. Yes, I think you can create and you can try it. No problem. This is what for blob storage services. Same what I'll do now. I'll go to my storage account. Okay. I'll go to file share services. I'll create a file share. Let us take the file share name as Naresh FS1. Naresh FS1. Okay, next backup. See here it is giving you lovely option. That is even backup also. Immediately at the file share creation itself only it is giving you an option for backup. So by any chance if you have deleted, you can get it from backup also. You can get it from backup also. You can set the backup. This I have shown already, right? Customized backup, you can take it up with your own name, with your own time, with your own year, month, okay, whatever it is. All these things you can set it up here. See, this we have discussed daily backup, weekly backup, monthly backup, yearly backup with your time, whatever you want. Okay, 24 hours it has given here with a half an hour of gap. 132, 233, 334, 435, like this. Anything that you can go it for. Okay, simply say here, okay, next review plus create. Okay, and then create a file share. Here you are having backup itself only. Okay. So two protections you are having. Soft delete is also enabled for you and even the backup is also available. Okay. So let the file share gets created here. Hold on. Okay. File share has been created here. I'll create one more file share like this. Two file shares I'm creating. Okay. Naresh FS2. Yeah, I won't take the backup for it. You press create, click on create. Okay. Come to the storage account. Come to file shares. Here you are seeing two file shares. Naresh FS1, FS2. Naresh file share 1, FS means file share, and Naresh file share 2. Okay. See, by default, it has given you 5 TB of data. 5 TB is a huge volume. 5 TB means huge volume. You can keep it huge volume of data. Okay. See, soft delete is enabled for 90 days. Soft delete is enabled for 90 days. Capacity is 5 TB. Okay, security is maximum. Compatibility has given maximum security kind of. What I'll do now, I'll go inside this file share. I'll go to browse and I'll upload some files. I'm uploading some files here. Okay, this file I'll upload, and this file I'll upload some two files. Okay, and then I'll come to FS2. Okay, I click on browse, upload, click on this one. Okay, I'll upload this file, and I'll upload some this file. Done. Okay, so these two file shares, and I'm having respective files inside these file shares. What I'll do, I'll simply go ahead and I'll delete the share. Share means file share. Okay, a resource lock affects this share. Resource locks can exist on the subscription, okay, resource group and storage account level. They are used to prevent accidental change or resource deletions. To force deletion, remove the lock and attempt to share deletion again. So it has applied the lock, it is saying. What is this lock? Lock is one of the features, guys, which will protect our storage services, like, file share, whatever it is, a accidental deletion. So this resource, this lock has been applied, and this lock only I can delete. Okay, if I given you access and you are able to see the storage account, then you also cannot go and you can delete the uh, lock. You can't. I'm the global administrator. I'm the owner of this subscription. I have created these storage services. That's why this option is enabled for me delete. I'm finding this option delete. You won't find this option delete. Okay. Still, I'm deleting it. Okay. I have deleted it. I deleted the lock. Now I'll come here. I'll go to file share services. See how much protection it is there. See how much. Automatically, it has applied the lock also. Automatically, it is taking the backup also. Right. And at the time of storage account creation, it is giving us an option also for data protection. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, I'll just go to this file share. I'll say here, delete. Let us see what will happen now. Okay, fine. It is saying that, the share can be recovered within the soft delete retention period. Can be recovered. And within the retention period. What is the retention period we have given? 90 days. It is taking some feedback from you. Are you satisfied your experience with Azure files and all? Okay, why are you deleting this file share? Okay. So, like, you can say no longer needed. Price is very high. Mostly this is the reason. Mostly this is the reason. No longer needed might also be the one of the reasons. Documentation isn't clear, missing features, performance not as expected, monitoring not as expected others. Microsoft can email you about your feedback kind of stuff. Just say here price or no longer is needed. Okay. Enter some reason here. Enter file share name to confirm the deletion. What is the file share name here? Naresh FS1. Okay, I won't mention this. I'll just say a price only. Microsoft can email you about your feedback. Okay, Microsoft will email you if you check this option. Okay, I won't check. I don't want any email from Microsoft also. So what it is saying, enter the file share name, that is Naresh FS1. Just type here Naresh FS1. Okay, fine. I'm say here I'm satisfied. Okay, and then say delete, confirm. Successfully deleted the file share. See now, Naresh FS1 is gone. Okay, it is gone. If you want it back, if you refresh it 10 times also, it won't come. If you want it back, say yes, show deleted shares. This has been deleted. Come here and then say undelete. Say undelete. Okay. Okay, it is not getting recovered. Hold on for some time. This is hold on for some time, 2 minutes, because just now it's been deleted. So it will take some time to take the updates at the back end. Correct or not? So in the cloud portal, we are doing it very fast. Just hold on for some 2 minutes. Okay. And then you can come here and you can say undelete. And remember, guys, to do all these operations, okay, to do all these operations, like enabling the soft delete, enabling the soft delete, okay, and deleting, okay, recovering, correct na, uploading the files, okay, making modification in the existing files, etc. To do all these operations, you should be having the high privileges, means high level of access. Should be having high level of access. Normally, when you join any new project as an Azure data engineer, okay, then you won't get this much of high level of access initially. As you become old, like 2 years old in project, 1 year old, 3 years old, 5 years old, then slowly the company will increase your access levels. Okay, one by one, it will increase. Why? Because initially when you have joined, okay, you might be not that much experience or highly skilled, or not company won't trust you, kind of, then it is difficult. You won't get that level of access. See, for me, I'm able to do all these operations because I'm the owner here in this subscription. Okay, when you create your own free trial subscription, you can do all these practices. I'm not denying it. But in real time environments, I'm talking about. In real time environments, it won't work out like this. Okay, guys. So now I'll say here undelete. Okay, so I'll select this one carefully. I'll say here undelete. Okay, now see, successfully recovered of this option. Now see, the file share that you have deleted, it came back along with the files available, whatever it is that we have uploaded. See, two files we have uploaded now. The two files we got it back. Okay, how soft delete works? Okay, full theory, guys. This is the full theory. Please read this. Don't neglect the theory, guys, because see, I'll tell you. Okay, of course, doing practical is really helpful. I'm not denying it. But if you read the theory, okay, if you read the theory, okay, it is very much helpful for you. It is very much helpful for you for your interviews point of view. I'm telling you, guys, very much helpful for you for interviews point of view. In interviews, they are not okay. In interviews, they are not going to give you a laptop. They are not going to give you an Azure cloud platform, and they are not asking you to do this so and so lab or proof it in the practical environment. They will check your theoretical knowledge. They'll check your confidence. Okay, so theory is also equally important, guys. Theory is also important. Just read it. I'm not saying to mug up. Don't mug up this. Don't mug up. Just understand what it is saying, and then in interviews you can say it on your own language, on your own way, you in your own style. Everyone is having a way of expressing, representing the concepts in a different manner. Correct? Now, every individual is having a different capacity and capability. Read, understand what this is saying here, and tell it in your own manner. That's it. Okay, enabling or disabling or soft delete, this is the complete theory here. Retention period, how we are retentioning it, that I have told. Implementation steps I have shown just now. Okay, all the steps I have given here. Create a storage account. Okay, when creating a storage account, soft delete will be automatically enabled. This we can see in data protection tab. While creating a storage account, you can also change number of retain days for the file share or blob storage services. This I have shown. All these steps I have shown now, right? Fine. Scenario one, how to delete a file share permanently when the soft delete is enabled. Okay. how to delete it permanently when the soft delete is enabled here. If you want to delete a file share permanently when a file share is enabled, then we have to disable the soft delete first. Okay, then we can delete the file share, and then this time the file share will be deleted permanently. First, what you have, if you want to delete it permanently, so whatever you are deleting now, it's a like kind of, in a phase where you can be recoverable, where you can recover it. See this, if you delete this share now, it is, of course it's a, if of course it will be deleted, but it is in a phase that can be recovered again. If you want to delete it permanently only, if you want to delete it permanently only, then for that, what I'm saying here, if you want to delete file share permanently when a file share is enabled, then we have to disable the soft deleter first. So come here, click on this soft delete, and first say here disable, completely disable, click on save. Okay, now if you delete the file share, it will be gone permanently. It will be gone permanently. That is what I'm saying here. Okay, first, what I'm saying, we have to disable the soft delete first. That I have done. See, now soft delete is completely disabled. Okay, if you want to enable it back, okay, you can say here enable, and it came by default to 7 days. You can increase the duration of time. See, it is giving you 365 days. Later on also, you can change the retention period, whatever you want. Okay, I'll keep it for 45 days. Okay, 1.5 month. Okay, mostly will take, maximum will take 45, sorry, 90 days only, guys. 3 months maximum. I have never seen in any of my projects that we are keeping more than 90 days, because the client itself will recommend go for 90 days, because if you increase it, then money has to be paid. It is not for free. That is, you have to keep in mind. Fine. Implementation of above point. Okay, how to delete it permanently? Click on soft delete. Okay, first click here on soft delete here. Okay, 7 days, and choose soft delete for all file share as disabled, and finally click on save. Now, if you delete a file share, then this will be deleted permanently because the first soft delete is disabled. And if we click on show delete share, it will not show the deleted file share, because this time the file share got deleted permanently. Okay, see now what I'll do. I will come here. Okay, I'll just do this one. I'll take this one. Okay, so for this file share 2, I'll say yes of delete as disabled, save. I'll come here. I'll say delete share. Now it will be a permanent delete. File share 2 will be a permanent delete. Okay. Type the file share name. Here is the file share name, guys. Here is the file share name. No need to be panic, because in real-time projects, you are not going to have 2 file shares. You are going to have hundreds of file shares. So you have to be very careful. Firstly, to be honest, you won't get the access to delete anything in the cloud portal. Okay, just for interviews point of view, for certification point of view, for knowledge point of view, I am teaching all these things. To be honest, in your real-time projects, no client, no manager, okay, no company will give you the access to delete anything. You will get the access to create. Okay, if you are too good, if you have very early, if you are technically very good and all, they will give you access, of course, but slowly they will improvise your access, not just on the first day itself only, because they do have confidence on you. Because Azure data engineering job is very, very critical, guys. Very responsible job. Every data, okay, every single file, every single container is absolutely important. If even a single data, single file is missing now, it will be very big escalation, because data is everything for every project. That's why there is a huge demand for data engineers. It is a kind of job which is more responsible, which is more critical. See, developers can do the mistakes. Developers like DevOps engineers, okay, or .NET developers, Java, Python, this, the people who are developing the applications, building and all, they can do the mistakes, no problem, because they are not doing everything directly in the production environment. But data engineers are such, data engineers, database administrators, Azure administrators, these people cannot do the mistakes, I'm telling. Okay, of course, in the initial days, you would be having a mentoring with your team leads, with your architects and all. They will also initially train you. They will also check how you are doing, how much you are performing, how is your confidence on the technology and all, then slowly if you are doing really well and all, then obviously they will increase the load on you. Everyone wants to increase the load. No one wants to give the salary just for free. Correct or not, guys? So in that case, I'm saying that, it's a very responsible job. It's a very critical, very important job that you have to take care of about the data. Okay, fine. So I'm just saying here Naresh FS, the file share name, Naresh FS2, right? The file share name. Until you type the correct file share name here, this delete button won't be enabled for you. Okay, click on delete. Say delete here. That's it. So what is happening here now? Naresh FS2. Okay, Naresh FS2 has been deleted. Okay, if you refresh 10 times also, FS2 won't come. If you say here show deleted box also, see FS2 is not coming. Why? Because you have a first disable the soft delete and you have deleted it. Okay, so I'll just come here and I'll enable the soft delete. Okay, and I'll click on save. Let it be for any number of days. Click on save. Next, we are having scenario 2. How to delete a file share in soft delete state before its expiry time. Okay, before its expiry time. Firstly, delete the share. Okay, before doing this step 1, ensure the soft delete is enabled and click on show deleted share. Okay, firstly, delete the file share. And before you are deleting, ensure that this soft delete is enabled. Okay, soft delete is enabled for me here. What I'll do now, I'll delete the share. What I'll do, I'll delete this share also. Okay. I'll say here Naresh FS1 delete. Okay. Next, undelete the file share we have deleted. Next, I'm saying here undid the file share that we have deleted. Disable the soft delete. Delete the same file share again. Now, if we click on show deleted share, then now we won't see the file share which we have deleted. So what we have done here, we have deleted a file share or blob storage. Same concept you can apply for blob storage also. Okay. File share or container inside the blob storage. Okay. What I'll do now, I'll just take a refresh. I'll say here show deleted share. I'll say here undelete. I'm returning it back. Disable the soft delete. Once it's written back, disable the soft delete. So what I'm doing here, before its expiry time, I'm deleting it permanently. I have disabled. Delete the same file share again. Come here. Delete the file share. Say here no longer needed. Type the file share name. Naresh FS1. Click on delete. Say delete here. Okay. Now if you click show deleted share, then no, we won't see the file share which we have deleted. Okay. This is being deleted. Now see, show deleted share. If you're saying here, nothing is there. So we have deleted it before its time period. How we have deleted before its time period? First, we have disabled the soft delete, then we have deleted it. Straightforward. Permanently, it has been deleted now. Okay. The catch is here. Disable delete, then it will be deleted permanently. If it is enabled delete, then you can recover it. And you can recover it up to the time period, okay, for where you have defined, like you have defined it for 90 days, 45 days, 30 days, 7 days, 10 days, whatever it is. And by default it will be giving you for 7 days. You select it, you don't select it, you forget, you won't forget, whatever it is, by default it will give for 7 days. Fine, guys, is that clear? This is what about the soft delete concept. Next, we are having storage account replication with object replication. Storage account replication, we are what we can say, we are replicating, we are copying the storage account. We are copying the storage account from one region to another region. Okay, as kind of RTO and RPO. Okay, recovery time objective, recovery point objective. See here what I'm saying. With object replication, we can create a replica of storage account. What we can do, we can create a replica of storage account and everything within it. So in storage account, whatever you are having blob share storage services, you are having file share storage services, etc., etc. Okay, everything will be replicated, everything will be copied, everything will be copied. Here we will create storage account 1 and storage account 2, and everything we upload in storage account 1, okay, will be replicated in storage account 2. And even after we delete storage account 1, the storage account 2 data will be deleted automatically, because the source 1 is first a storage account. If we have deleted storage account 1, then the storage account 2 data will be replicated automatically, because these storage accounts are replicated to each other, okay, with a replication rule. How to implement it? This is the steps. This is the steps we have to follow. Step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, all these steps we are having it. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, and remember guys, I'll tell you one thing very clearly. See, if you have created a storage account, okay, let us take two storage accounts will create Naresh SA 1515, and one more storage account will create Naresh SA 1717, something like this. Now, if you have just one file in your blob storage services, okay, and you want to replicate it, it will take minimum 30 minutes of time just for one file. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make here is, if you are having huge data, like you are having storage services, in that you are having multiple containers, and each container is carrying multiple files, you are having file share services, multiple files in each file share service and all, then it will take up to 2 to 3 hours also, up to 2 to 3 hours also. So the replication is purely depends upon the volume of data, how much you are having in your storage services. Okay, the replication, okay, is purely depends upon the volume of data that you are carrying inside your storage account or storage services. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just start the replication here, and then I'll explain you how it is. So let me go ahead. Let me delete this storage account. I'll just delete this storage account here. Okay. So I'll come inside the storage account. I'll say here, delete a storage account. Okay. Fine. So what I'll do, let it get deleted. What I'll do, I'll come to home. Okay. I'll create a fresh storage account. Okay. I'll create a fresh storage account. Let us take what it is saying. We have to create two storage accounts, right? Create two storage accounts. One is the source where you are uploading the data, and other one is the target where you are copying the data, where you are replicating. Okay, so I'll say here Naresh SA 1515. Okay, or else we'll give it as source. No, it is not carrying the hyphen and all. So I'll just give it as Naresh source. Naresh storage account source. Okay, SRC. Okay, I would like to give it like this, to be honest, but it won't take the uppercase letters. This I have told wrong back. Okay, see, it is not taking this hyphen special character. It is not taking the uppercase S also. So Naresh source Naresh storage account, SRC source Naresh storage account. Okay, let us understand this one. I just come here. SRC source Naresh SA. This is the source storage account which is carrying the data. Fine. Let us go ahead and deploy this storage account. Okay, rest of the things I'm just leaving it to default all. Go ahead and create the storage account. Hey, see, if you want all these options, a detailed explanation, please refer the video recordings, because we are having too much syllabus to complete. I cannot tell the same thing again and again, and you guys also feel it very boring. Okay, correct or not? So please refer the video recordings. For that reason only we are, requesting everyone to take this course with video recordings, because as I'm telling in every classes that the labs are very tough. The labs are going to be very tough. You are also experiencing this. So if you are having the video recordings with you, then you can do the labs easily by following my videos. At least, you do it 2 to 3 times by seeing the video recordings. Then 100% third time or fourth one you can do it on your own without video recording references. Everyone will learn like that only, guys. Okay, so all right, the storage account got deployed. What I'll do, I'll go to the storage account. Okay, it will come. See, the storage account is not reflecting. Don't be panic. It will come. It will take some time for the things to get updated at the backend. So refresh it. See, I got the storage account here. What I'll do, I'll go to containers. I'll create one container here. I'll say here source container. I'm saying here source container. Click on create. Okay. I'll go inside this one. I'll go to upload, and I'll upload a very small file, guys, because it will take a huge time. I'll just take this one, my Google Meet link. This file I'm uploading here. Okay, you can upload any file, guys, because it storage services is a service which I have told earlier also, which accepts the data which is in any format, any size, any shape, any anything basically. Okay, nothing as such. Now what I'll do, I'll come here and I'll create one file share storage service also. Okay, I'm saying here source. Okay, file share. Fine. Next, I don't want the backup stuff. Next, create source file share. Click on browse, say upload, browse for files. Okay, I'll upload this file here. So what I have done, I have created a storage account with a name called source Naresh SA. See, this is my storage account name. Source Naresh SA. This is the file share services inside my storage account. This is the new file share I have created with this name called source fs, source file share. And inside this file share, I have uploaded one file. Done. What I'll do next, I'll create one more storage account. And this storage account would be my target. I'll say here, target Naresh SA. I'm saying here target Naresh SA. Okay. This I have created where? This source storage account I have created where? Let me check that one. This I have created in East US 2. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll create this somewhere in East US. Okay, East US. Rest of all these things, I'm leaving it to default. I'll go ahead and I'll, okay, create this target storage account. Create. Fine. See, I'm having two storage accounts. Hold on, it will come. So the same step I have mentioned here. Create two storage accounts and create container folder in both the storage accounts. Container folder I have created, and I have uploaded one file also. Okay. This is source and this is target. I'll create here container storage service. Okay, I'll say here target container. Fine. I'm not uploading any files here. I'm not uploading any files here. Fine. Now go inside the storage account one, which is source, and click on object replication that you will find on left side. Okay, create replication rules. So this is your okay source storage account. Okay, what is saying? Go to replication, object replication. Click on this object replication. Okay, create replication rules. Click on this one, create replication rules. Then destination subscription is free trial, where you want to replicate my both the storage accounts in free trial only. That's why I'm saying here destination subscription free trial. Destination storage account is this one, target. This is my target, my destination where I want to replicate my data. So select this one, target. Source container. Source container is what? This one, right? We have created this one only, na? Source container. SRC stands for source container. Destination container, target con. This is what I have set it up here. The same thing I'm mentioning here. Okay. Destination storage account. Here, carefully select the storage account in which we want to replicate the data. Okay. Destination storage account is this one. Destination storage account is this one. Okay. And then source container is this one. Destination container is this one. Okay. And then what is happening here? Select the container from first storage account. Select the container from second storage account. Okay. This is source storage account. This is target storage account. Copy over. Click here on copy over. Okay. In here, you are having multiple options. What we are having? We are having multiple options here. If you click this one, what you want to copy everything, okay, from your source storage account, or only the new objects. Suppose, let us take for an example, you have already replicated once 2 days before. Okay, 2 days before you have already replicated. Only new things means it will be incremental replication. The last 2 days, whatever has been added in your storage account, only that much will be replicated. Okay, customize means what? Customize means you have to choose from which date to which date. Okay, like, from this date, from 5th September, okay, 12 a.m. Okay, you want to copy the data. What all the files came, okay, from 5th September to till now. Then you can say here, copy only that much. Copy only that much. It depends, guys. It's your choice how you want. Everything means from the very beginning, it will get copied. Only new objects means from last application, whatever you have done 2 days back, 3 days back, or just 2 hours back also, it will take only the new objects. Custom means you can decide here. Okay, let us take from 1st September 12 a.m. midnight to till now, whatever is it will get copied. It depends. As it's the very first time for us, I'll say here everything. Click on save. I'm changing here for everything. If you want to add, you can add a filters also. Prefix month, okay, prefix match kind of stuff. If you want, you can add it. A prefix match will find items like folders and blobs under the specified container that starts with a specified input. For example, inputting a would filter and any folder or blobs that starts with a, all this stuff like this. You can just search with a particular pattern here, nothing as such. So I'm just taking this one and then click on create. The same thing I have mentioned here. Okay, copy everything like whatever you want. Click on save and finally click on create. Click on save. This one. This one is the save. I'm taking everything and then click on create. That is what I have mentioned here. Click on save. Then finally click on create. Okay. Click on create. Once you click on create, then it will start the replication option. Okay. See now creating replication policy or destination account. It will take some time, not some time, it will take huge time actually. Okay, when the object replication rule has been implemented and if we delete the object or files from first storage account container, then automatically in second storage account container, the object or files will be deleted. This you have to keep in mind. This you have to keep in mind here. So now see, the replication is going on. What is this? I'll just take a refresh. Is it got replicated or what? No, it didn't get replicated. Why it is not showing here? Okay, I'll do it one more time quickly. Yeah, here it is now. Okay, this is my source storage account. That is correct. This is my target. Okay, it has not triggered properly, guys. It has not triggered properly. No problem. I'll come here. I'll say edit this rule. I'll say create replication rule. Same thing I'm doing. So now see, creating replication policy on source account. We'll wait for it for some time. Why it is completing so early? It is just creating the policy or what? It is creating the replication policy. It is not replicating into a destination storage account. Why it is like this? Okay, we'll try it after some time, guys. We'll try it again after some time. Okay, it do happen sometimes like this. Okay, now it is asking me to create the upload the files and all. See, a replication rule already exists for the destination storage account. Have we set some time, guys, so that in the time it will happen automatically? No, right? Have we set up any time? To begin replicating objects, specify the source storage account and the destination storage account. Yeah, source storage account is this one. Destination storage account is this one. This is correct. This is my source container where I'm having some file here, right? If I see here, I'm having some file now. Yeah, this file. And if I come here to my destination storage account, which is target, here I'm saying that I need to be replicated here. Array replicated, yeah, it got replicated. See, super, wow, very fast. See, target storage account. This is my target storage account. Okay, right? And in this storage account, I have created one container with a name called target container, target con. And this file has been replicated already. See, when it got replicated, 6th of September, 8:36. Okay, just 1 minute back. Now it is 8:37 now. It is 8:37. So it got replicated just 1 minute back. See, this is our target storage account. Okay, if you see here, this is our source storage account. It got replicated very fast. Okay, because there is nothing in this file, guys. This just one link is there. Why I have taken a small file, 36 bytes, is because just it should happen very fast. Okay, if you are having 10 files, 100 files, 200 files, it might take some 15-20 minutes or half an hour or 10 minutes. It depends. I'm not sure. That's how it works. See, this is my source storage account. This is the container. Okay, I have created, and see, same file is being replicated. This is my source. This is my target. In source, I'm having one file with this name. The file got copied into my target. Hence proved. Okay, hence proof that the replication has been done. Now you are having options here. Incremental replication, you want everything you want to replicate, or custom replication. What I do is you can select it. Okay. Fine, guys, that's it. I'll stop the class for today. And in tomorrow's class, we'll see Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 storage accounts. What is this Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 storage accounts? We'll see. And it's very simple. It's 90% similar to storage account only. But what is this? This we'll see in tomorrow's class. All right. Any questions, guys? Anyone, any questions, please? Yes, no? Save Azure DevOps, where you are learning there the DevOps tools and services. You are learning there the DevOps tools and services. Like, you are learning their Ansible, you are learning their Terraforms, you are learning their virtual machines, you are learning their PowerShell, you are learning their repos, Azure repos, CI/CD pipelines, automations, and all that stuff. Here you are learning what? Here you are learning storage account and storage account storage services. Okay, and then replication options, data lake storage Gen 2, Azure Data Factory. Okay, lot of Azure Data Factory pipelines you are learning. Okay, lot of difference. That concepts and these concepts are different. If you want to share container or file share in the organization level, yes, that's it. How to share it, I'll just show it in the upcoming classes in Active Directory classes. Like, how to share, how to provide the access to different people, okay, who wants to access. How to do that, I'll just show in the upcoming classes, Ramakrishna. I didn't come there yet. I'll show it in the future classes. No, it's available for the file share storage services and blob storage services, not at a storage account level. It is available soft delete for storage services, not for storage account. Is that clear, Divakar? Okay, all right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, no, no. Interview question and answers, Ramakrishna. Hold on. There are still many topics that we have to cover. Okay, at the end of the classes for every batch, we'll share it at the end of the classes. Then you can take it up, the interview question and answers. Fine. Hold on. Just enjoy the classes today. These days, it will take easily more than 1 month for us to complete the classes. At least 1 month it will take, not less than that. And in the last classes, last three, four, 5 classes, I'll share everything, no problem. Okay. Do the labs and read the theory, guys. All the material, read line by line. That is very important. Okay, fine. Mm. Rangaswamy, tell me. Guys, if you're not having any questions, you may leave, no problem. Rangaswamy, do you have any question? I'm waiting for you. Yesterday, you have not downloaded the material. Okay. Rangaswamy, can you drop your mail? Okay, no problem. Guys, can anyone please forward the material to Rangaswamy? Can anyone forward, or I have to do it? Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, go to this link and download the material. It's very simple. Click on that link. Okay, then right click on the document that is material and say download. That's it. Take a photo of this link, guys. I'm telling everyone, take a photo of this link. Okay, whenever you want, you can open this link and you can download the material. And the upcoming documents also, interview question and answers is there, assignments is there, and what else, sample resumes is there, certification terms is there. Everything I'm going to put it in this link only, so please keep this link as reference. Okay, all right, guys, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, have a nice day ahead.